Grand Rising to the great ones, hashtag Wealthy Royal Family. Y'all know what time it is. It's another day to get in a little session so we can become stronger, better. I think we got about 8 days before competition. Happy April 1st, Happy New Year. That's what everybody's saying. It's true. New Year is April because that's what spring, the actual life happening. So, like I said, we're in the second quarter. What are you going to do to make your life a bit better? Some of you are sitting on ideas, things that you haven't executed that could literally change your life. A little more corn in your pocket, as well as, transform yourself. So you got to activate. So anyway, let's begin. A1 from day one. Hope you're doing pretty good. Davey, say hello.
Hi.
Yeah, man, we all in our corporate uniform right now. We got it. And I'd go. Anyway, also, gym session was amazing. Now let's go deal with some clients. A1 from day one. Out here, thank you for Mazdas and thing. I can show you all when we finish. Let's make it happen. No client complain the key malfunction. That's the old key. Alright, new key, put the key in, turn forward. Hey, check the battery terminal for me, please. Wagwan, my youth. Just twist it for me. A1 from day one, they back up and running. Oh, boom, boom. Hey, get them ready. So that's what you do. And from day one, old smart lock remove. Call client say the customer complain, they have issue with that. We're putting in a new one, we're going to program it and so forth. Alright, she looking platinum, just gotta program it now.